What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. So let's jump right on into removing this deck belt on the John Deere Z320R. Now what we have on the 320R is going to be a 42-inch Axel Deep Deck. So within the Z3 lineup, any of these mowers that have that 42-inch Axel Deep, this process will be the same. So the only tools that we're going to need in doing this is going to be a 3/8 ratchet and a 15mm socket. So step one, we want to go ahead and remove our foot platform, as we're going to need access to a couple of our pulleys underneath here. So make sure to go ahead and get that out of the way first. Now your next step is going to take place right here at our tension idler. For one, we're going to loosen this nut, not take it all the way off, but loosen this nut just enough that this pulley has a little bit of wobble in it to where we can get the belt up and past this guard. Then once we have that loose, we're gonna go back here to our tension arm, push it, get it out of the way so that we can get that belt taken off. So we'll loosen up this nut. Now you'll see as you loosen that, you get some wiggle there in that pulley, and that's going to create enough of a gap for you to get that belt off. So then now we're going to go back here to our tension arm, and right on top is going to be a square hole that is made for your 3/8 ratchet to go in. So we are going to put that down in the hole, and then we're going to push forward to relieve that tension, and then raise this belt up and off just like so. And then we want to just hand tighten this nut back down just a little bit here, and then let off slowly with our tensioner until it meets the solid pulley on the other side. Now once we have that done, you'll see that we have all kinds of slack here in this belt. So now what we're looking to do is getting this belt off of our engine pulley, just like that. Now, once we've gotten that done, we have all of this extra play with the belt. Next thing we want to do is reach in here and take this off of our stationary idler. And then we can pull up on our spindle covers here and just start to work this belt out on either side. One side free. And get out our other side. And then just like that, you have that old belt removed, and now we can go back on in the opposite way that we took it off. Now, once we're going back on with this, what we want to do is we want to start one of these ends and head it back toward the engine where that belt is going to mount. Go ahead and just push it back there. Make sure we're getting all the twist out of your belt as we're doing this. Now, like I said, we want to go in reverse order that we did this starting out. So I'm going to start with the pulleys here, the spindle pulleys, your actual blade drives. Now this can sometimes get confusing, so I want to make sure and point this out. Whenever you're going back on with this, you can't just simply come around the spindle cover, raise it up, and then put this on, because we have this guard right here that we have to get around. So how we have to go about putting this on is we're actually going to bunch this up all the way over here on the inside, then raise up on our spindle cover and pull this belt through like so, getting that onto our pulley here inside of our guard here, and then we can let this close down. All right, so once we're started over here, the next thing we need to do is we have two sides to our belt now. We want this side that is coming more towards the front of the mower. We want to pull this past our spindle, and it is going to go straight across over to our other spindle. So what we want to do here is we want to take the back side of this belt, and this is what's going to go on our solid mount idler. We're making sure to put the flat side of the belt into that idler just like so, and then go ahead and recheck over here, make sure that your belt is good and seated on your other spindle. Now over here on the left-hand side, we're actually gonna have to start this from the front side of the mower. So we're gonna go up and under through our spindle housing here. Make sure and get that belt seated into that pulley. And then once it's ran out, now we're ready to move to the back and get this hooked back onto our engine pulley. A lot of times you're best off going ahead and coming to the rear of the mower here, where you can pull this belt, see it, have easy access to this rear pulley. But once we get that hooked up and over, now the last step is to get our tension idler put back on, get that belt, tighten that up, and we're good to go. All right, so first thing, we are gonna go ahead and loosen this again by hand. Remember, don't take this nut all the way off. Just get it good and loose. Right there, we've got plenty of play. And then before we put this on, we just wanna do a good check, make sure everything is in its grooves like it needs to be. And then we can go ahead and put our ratchet back into our tension arm here, just like so. And we can give this a good push. Now we want to grab from the inside here underneath the mower, getting our flat side going over and into our pulley here. Just like so. Make sure that pulley seats back down onto its bushing and that everything's kosher there. Go ahead and tighten this by hand so we don't have as much wobble in it. Now, once we're here, we want to go ahead and take out our ratchet, get that 15mm socket, get it put back on, and start to tighten down on our nut here. All right, and then once we have that tight, last thing to do is to just go ahead and give a check, make sure everything is in position correctly, make sure that all your belts are seated into the pulleys and the flat sides are good and making contact with our idlers. And right there, guys, is how we change the deck belt on the John Deere Z320. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you're needing any John Deere parts at all, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey, guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.